How to install vinyl underneath a door. The tools you'll need are a concave knife, a multi-tool and gloves. If your room has mouldings or a door frame, we recommend sawing this away carefully at the bottom. This way, you can be assured of a beautifully finished floor. Place a plank with the decor side facing downwards against the moulding. Put your multi-tool flat on the plank and saw the bottom part of the moulding off at the correct height, or use a handsaw. Sweep up the sawdust and clean the area with a vacuum cleaner. After that, you can slot your plank into the moulding and click it onto the next plank. Use an end profile near the door opening for a perfect finish. How to install vinyl flooring near a curved wall. The tools you'll need are a pencil, a concave knife, and gloves. If possible, install the vinyl planks in the direction of your curved wall. Lay entire planks as closely as possible against the wall. Lay an entire plank on top of the last plank. Take a small piece of the remaining plank and use this to measure the curve. Press one side of the block against the wall and put a pencil on the other side. Move the block along the curved wall and draw the curve onto the plank. Cut on this line and subsequently break the plank in two halves. Next, click this plank into the floor. It should fit perfectly. If the curve of your wall is so big that you need more than one plank, repeat this procedure for the next row. How to install a vinyl floor in a room with sloping walls. The tools you'll need are a pen, a concave knife, gloves, measuring tape, and a folding rule. Rooms with a sloping wall do not necessarily have to form an insurmountable obstacle. With a bevel or a folding rule, you can easily solve any problems. Measure the angle of your wall. Draw the angle onto your plank and cut on this line. Break off the corner with the decor side facing upwards. Pro tip: if your sloping wall has a constant angle, draw the angle of the wall using a folding rule onto a plank and use this as a model for the other planks. If you do this, you'll not have to keep getting out your folding rule or bevel. Try to alternate the alignment of your short joints. Start a new roll with planks left over from the previous row and make sure that the short joints of your planks always stagger by at least 30 centimeters. This will ensure a beautiful result. Next, click the plank you have cut out onto the penultimate row. Done! You now have a lovely vinyl floor in a room with a sloping wall.